This is called Twinkle Patcher and Twinkle App Extension, supports iOS 12 to 14. This is called UPIP and enables the native picture-in-picture in YouTube app. So, native enables picture-in-picture in YouTube app. This is called Core Utils or Core Utilities, GNU Core Utilities. And this is called Auto Recorder Ads. No, I don't even know what it says. Supposed iOS 12, 13, and 14. So, this is the first I've ever made and the best quality recorder for iOS. So you get features right here. You know what you can do. Record pretty much record phone calls. I'm going to say that I'm not responsible for how you guys use this tweak. Use this tweak at your own risk. And yeah, when you guys actually, by installing this tweak, you are actually agreeing to terms of service and terms of use. So you get all those features right there. Supports these apps right here, and supports all device iOS 12. Tells you what you can do. You can record your calls, record phone calls into, all that cool stuff. But also, you're responsible for notifying receiving content from. So remember that, guys. Read this legal disclaimer because you guys are responsible for that by installing this tweak. And by watching this video, I'm telling you guys this is for educational purposes only. So use this tweak at your own risk. This one, same thing. Use tweak at your own risk, guys. When you guys download this tweak, you are agreeing to the policy. The legal disclaimer as well. So, Super Recorder S Plus, recording phone call VIP on your iPhone without using the external service. So yeah, make sure you guys read this everything before you guys download it, and definitely read the legal and warning notice. And like I said, by downloading this app, this tweak, you are agreeing to that terms of service. So definitely read what you're before you download. Definitely read, and before you buy it, definitely read what it does and what you're agreeing to. It's called Invisible Widget, and tweak brings a real invisible widget to iOS. Put an icon wherever you want easier. Safari Plus Syphilis, just like the other tweak. Safari Plus, same thing pretty much, same features and everything. Just different name. I don't know what the hell the difference is or what syphilis means, but that's just where we're at in life. It's called Kill X Pro. One swipe to kill them all. So also I'm gonna give a little update with auto recorder with edit. Audio, cut, trim, enhance, etc. option is coming, so you can actually now edit your recordings with auto recorder. That feature is coming soon, just letting you guys know. Another really cool tweak by Elias Neos, which is also the same creator for auto recorder headsets, is glow. It's iOS 12 to 14.8, and it lets your lock screen glow. And to read all about this before you download it, it pretty much I think does like kill your batteries. It's just making it glow, so your battery will drain faster. But just read before you guys download it. But yeah, pretty cool. And it does cost $2.99, which is not bad at all. We have a Call Recorder S Plus, same deal, guys. You're agreeing to terms of service by downloading this, and showing this video for educational purposes only for this week, for the whole video. And yeah, make sure you guys read the warning, legal notice before you download, and all that good stuff. Allows you to obviously record your calls.